Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a dolphin for you. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. So first of all we will draw with pencil, and then after that we will draw with marker color. So for this purpose I will draw here two eyes. One here and one in other side. So I will fill it later with marker color, so don't worry. So now we have to draw what? We have to draw here the face, the face of our dolphin. If it's something wrong we can erase, because of we are making with pencil. So now we have to make a round face. Like head, we will start from here, and the other side it's little quite far because of we will make a tail here. Okay, so now I will go to make a face, like head, not face, head. So I start it. Okay, if you can go here and you can start from here as well, down to upside. Okay, nicely done, but we will remove it here, and little bit we have to make it round here, like this. Okay, nicely done. So now what's I will make a downside, but here I will first of all I will draw here for tail. So you have to draw here a curve, okay, because of tail. So now we have to make the downside, down part of the whale fish. So I will come down, down, and you have to try to make it round. If it's not, then no problem. Okay. So here you have to leave some part here, this space, because of here we have to leave because of the wings. So I will go to here further upside, and you have to make it equal. And now you have to make a tail. You have to draw here point and come here, and you have to meet this, and same you have to go here, stop, and you have to make this. So nicely done till here. So now what we have to do, we have to make a here the wings. Okay, then for this purpose you have to draw a line. We will start from here, and you have to remove it. Okay, when something is wrong you can easily remove this. For this purpose always try to start your drawing with pencil. So you have to, I will come down, and you have to make like this. I will remove it, and you can make like this. Okay, you can turn easily. And now what's more, more we have to make the lines from this down side, from this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, and one thing is I'm missing, like the other side wings, like it's not a big because it's behind it. So for now I will draw some drops of water because of when it dives to the water, then so children's nicely done till here. So now we will make with it with marker color. So I will make it with marker color and I'll make it quickly. So Jupu children's, our cute drawing is ready, our little fish is ready. So now you please watch full video to have fun always, and please subscribe my channel, and we meet the next video. Take care, bye bye.